Merry Christmas. Tell.
Good morning! So, I'm here downstairs and mag-workout muna ako very quickly and go-grocery shopping ka afterwards. But right now, I'm wearing this warmer because ang lamig dito sa basement. And also, the reason why I'm whispering right now is because tulog pa yung mga roommate namin. So, you know, trying to be respectful. I'm gonna do a quick workout. It will be the start of my day.
Akala nyo ay aesthetic ang snow. Ganda lang snow pag first day or second day ng patak ng snow. Masaya. Pero after like few days, para na kaming, alam mo yung putik na ice, ganon. Brown na, madumi. Yan, ice yan. Madumi. We're now here in wholesale and nakakatawa kasi 4 o'clock PM pa lang ngayon pero ang dilim na agad.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Go.
Happy birthday to you. Tinag sing.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Again. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. I love you.
Oh, sorry, George. Finally, home. So magsi 7 PM na. Malis kami ng bahay around 1:30. 1:30 or 1? Oh, 1 p. Wow, ate! You did it!
Yay!
Labas ako. Gusto ko ilamig na lamig at may snow. Tapos naka-crocs. Tingnan na natin sa labas yung video.
Merry Christmas, one and all.
Ganda, ate! You did it perfectly. Come here! Oh my gosh, ang lamig! Para hindi lamigin. Super nice! It's so cold. Gusto ko, ang tabi ko pang gagawin, pero ako yung nasa labas.
Babaguhin ko na lang. Bibili pa.
No, it's perfect. Okay. It's perfect. Yeah. It's perfect.
Ganyan lang. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Kasi parang okay na pag ano. Okay na yung ganyan kasi parang gitna naman talaga siya. Good job. Okay, lamig. It's so cold. Okay, hala na kayo dyan. Sabi ko pang gagawin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang second fridge namin. day outside. Tatapusin ko muna lahat ng gagawin ko at hindi ako matatapos kung magbablog ako. Yeah, magluluto na muna ako ng lumpia. Maybe pansit, I don't know. Maggawa kami ng desserts. And I think the rest will be tomorrow. So, yeah. So, tomorrow is my birthday and it's almost 8 o'clock na. Kaya, let's go.
We've been waiting for this day, a special time just for you. With smiles and love filling the air, let's celebrate this moment we share. The candles flicker in the night, spreading warmth, a gentle light. This time is yours, a day so fine. I hope it lasts for a long, long time. Happy birthday to you. Today is a day that's all for you. May joy and love come your way. Let's all celebrate this special.
11:59. Nagluluto pa ako ng lumpia. Tapos si Ma'am Shing may kachat ng jowa. Si Kay na busy magluto ng second dish. Si ating tagalinis namin. Anong oras na? Isang buong taong nagluluto.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! From the top! From the top! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Parang ikaw talaga ang may birthday me. Thank you so much!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ate.
to
Thank you,
you.
Kay. Thank you, Mark.
Happy birthday to you. May all your wishes come true.
Thank you!
Happy birthday to you.
At the moment, maglilinis pa tayo ng dishes. Ilalagay ko lang yung flowers sa vase at hindi siya malanta. Thank you so much! I love it!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
I love flowers.
Today is your special day, and we're here to say, may all your dreams come true in every single way. Happy birthday, shine like the morning sun. Here's to joy, love, and laughter, and a year full of fun. You've touched so many hearts with your kindness and your grace. Happy birthday, shine like the morning sun.
Okay, it's 12:50 right now and tapos na ako maglumpia. Inabot na ako ng birthday ko sa pagluluto. Tapos, nakauwi na rin yung mga friends natin, ng mga bisitang nagkakanta and hindi ko siya in-expect, honestly, dahil ako ay na-occupy sa pagluluto. May kausap pa akong yung pamangkin ko, tapos kachika ko pa sila. So, hindi ko na rin in-expect na may surprise pa. Dahil nga, sabi nila, matanda na tayo, wala na tayong surprise. So, but I was so shocked and kita nyo naman, ang itsura ko, wala talaga itong, alam nyo, hindi ko in-expect. Well, again, I just wanna say thank you kay Ate Katrina, kay Kay, kay Marie, na parang siya pa yung may birthday, ayos na ayos. Si Nini, nagising pa at naka-red pa siya. Talagang mag-ina talaga silang kasyandera. Si Mark, nagising pa din. At lalo na kay Ma'am Shiliz. Thank you. Ay, sorry. Correction. Kay Liza. Thank Thank you, Liza, for this surprise salubong. Yeah, amoy lumpia ako, so hindi ko na kinahag. But thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much. And I'll see you guys later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.